Hello, you are highly welcome to another interesting topic. This is called Aidan fruit. Aidan fruit is, you can see it. This is a very wonderful fruit. It is highly medicinal, scientific, and spiritual. You can use this fruit to safeguard your poultry and livestock farm from reptiles, pests, and other crawlers. It has a very high active repellent properties that can deter snake, rats, scorpions, and other crawlers from invading your farms and destroying your investment. In this particular content, watch this video till the end so that I will guide you on how to make use of Aidan fruit to keep your farm safe from reptiles. Don't go far and make sure you watch till the end. This is Aidan fruit. Aidan fruit is known for its aromatic properties, very strong and effective one, and it has natural repellent properties against reptiles like snakes, scorpions, rats, lizards, and others. In this particular video, I'm going to give you how you are going to make use of it to guide your poultry and livestock animals. Make sure you watch till the end. And if this is the first time of coming across this particular channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe and tap that bell there. You get instant notification of every of my content once they are released. And if you have been following me all these years, I thank you for believing in me, and I always give you the best in this particular channel. Aidan fruit is very cheap compared to the kind of work it does in poultry and livestock, security, and otherwise. How do you make use of this fruit to guide your poultry house? I don't want to go too far in explaining this particular fruit. It has a lot of medicinal properties, but I'm not going there yet. Now, for you to guide your poultry beds from reptiles, this is what you're going to do. Place whole fruit around the perimeters of your poultry house. Scatter whole Aidan fruit around the edges of your farm, poultry house, or garden. The strong scent of the fruit will repel reptiles and discourage them from entering your area completely. Make an Aidan fruit spray. How do you do that? Crush this Aidan fruit. Crush it to powder. It is easily crushable, you can see. You can crush it to powder in powder form using either blender or grinding machine. Or you can also soak them in water up to 24 to 48 hours. The repellent properties will be extracted into that water. Then you use the water and sprinkle around your farm. Depending on your location, if your farm is located in an exclusive area, maybe very close to a very big bush, you need to be doing this once in 3 days. This will scare them away. Then another way is pour the solution in a spray bottle. This bottle they use to spray, and spray it around the farm, especially near the entry points for reptiles, such as cracks, holes, fence lines, and reapply this every week after heavy rain. Once there is heavy rain, reapply it so that it will reactivate the repellent properties also. I'm giving you different ways you can apply it, but for me here, I'll also tell you what I use that is effective for me also. You can as well perforate it and hang them around the corners of your poultry houses. This is very cheap. You can hang them as many as possible. The more they are in the environment, the more active they are also. You can fix crushed Aidan fruits, tie them in a string and hang them around the whole doorstep, all the whole windows, and all the ventilation areas, all the openings of your poultry house and livestock pen. This will repel the reptiles completely from your pen entirely. They will run away. Now, the next one is combine with other natural repellents like using Aidan fruits to mix with garlic, to mix with neem, to mix with lemongrass, crush them together and apply them in water and spray around their area. This makes the repellent properties more active than ever. This lemongrass and garlic will activate the properties. In fact, many other ones you never even believe that are hiding in holes, you see them running out from their poultry house. Now this comes to the final one, which is what I make use of in my farm, and I'll give you a video of how we are going to do it. Now let's get there. Let me show you the video before I'll describe it for you. You can see right now only 2 Aidan fruits in this hot fire. You can see the kind of smoke. How I wish you can perceive the repellent odor of this particular Aidan fruit. It is terrifying. In fact, I don't think any reptile can withstand this. You can see the 2 of them there. Are you seeing it? Now let me increase it. You can see it. You can see them. Only 2 of them can scare thousands of snakes and reptiles away from your farm. You can see it. Are you seeing it? This is what you do. Do this every week. This is the method I'm using. I have given you more than 5 different methods, but this is the best method for me. You can do this once in a week. Once you do this, you will not be seeing them around you any longer. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you share this video to reach more farmers. You can see the kind of smoke. Just one. Put it at the center of your farm. This will pursue all of them, both snakes and rats. You can see it. Watch this snake here. After burning this Aidan fruit in my client farm, in this particular farm, they have been losing young chicks on daily basis, both the eggs and everything. In fact, in one of the nights, they have seen the snakes swallowing some of the chickens in the brooding room. When we went there with this particular Aidan fruit, we burnt this throughout the night. 2 big snakes were trapped in this particular farm. You can see this particular one I see here is one of the, this is the biggest one among them. It's about I think that is 7 feet, 2-point-something meters. We measured it. Then you see the next snake again. This particular one is about 5 feet plus. These 2 snakes were trapped by these Aidan fruit repellent properties. See the next snake. This particular one is about 5 feet plus. It's very big and very lengthy snake also. All in the same compound. This is the storeroom of the poultry farm. The other one was caught close to 1 block where they packed some blocks. The properties of this Aidan fruit trapped them. They couldn't go out that night after burning it. So they were there rolling around inside the block. This one was caught close to the residential house. This next comes here every night to swallow eggs and young chicks. But this particular Aidan fruit trapped them. You can see that this particular fruit has very good repellent properties. Once the snakes are already there, they will find it difficult to go out. And if you have been doing this regularly in your farm, you will scare them away. Make sure you share this video. Now you can see, you now burn Aidan fruits as you have seen on this video. Burn the dried Aidan fruit. It is already dried. You can see it. Burn in a very strong fire, allowing the smoke to spray around the farm. The strong smell of the smoke, you see the smoke, acts as deterrent to snakes and other reptiles. Let me tell you one thing. You see snake. Snake can perceive the smell of an egg up to 3 kilometers away from your farm. They have that ability to know that there is an egg 3 kilometers away from where they are. That means if you have this particular Eden fruit, the same way they perceive the smell of an egg in your poultry house is the same way also they will perceive that there is an anti-snake repellent somewhere that will make them not to come around your farm at all. They will run far away from your farm. So this is how this works. It is very active. I have been using it for the past 3 decades and it has been working for me. In fact, you can see from this video, you see snakes, you see rats, you see scorpion. Most of these things can destroy your investment, can kill all your chickens within a short period of time. And you not know, most especially this scorpion. The scorpion will hide under the beddings of your poultry floor. Most especially if you are using the deep litter system where you keep heavy sawdust. They will hide under it, come out in the night and stink all your beds and kill them. In the morning you see them raising up and you feel that it is one viral infection or one bacterial infection. You continue spending your money without knowing. And once they do that, they will still hide back and come out in the night again to do their dangerous work and still go back. So this is what you are going to use. Please, if you have found this video very interesting, like the video, give it a thumb up right now, and make sure you always drop comment, like video. This is why I bring it. The more you like the video, the more we get interested in providing more tips for you to run your poultry and agri business more profitably. Thank you for watching this extent, and make sure you share the video to reach more farmers. Many farmers are waiting. Many are suffering from this. Many don't even know why their chicken birds are dying without knowing that there is an enemy in the sawdust, in the beddings that is killing their birds at night. Share this video to reach them so that they will get away and at the same time get the same knowledge you have gotten right now. So by using these Eden fruits in these ways I've mentioned to you, you can effectively create a barrier that will help keep reptiles away from your farm without the use of harmful chemicals. Do your best to protect your chickens and all your investments in the farm. Thank you. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Remain blessed.